Hi everybody and welcome back. In this particular short clip, what I'm going to do is show you how to add display navigation buttons to your screen. So in order to do that, I'm going to go up to the icon menu here, and I'm simply going to select a button. The other way to do this is to go into Objects, go under Push Button, and you want a button. Now in this case, it's not a momentary or maintain button. It's going to be that first selection at the top of that menu. So if I go to my screen, of course, I can draw out the physical button on the screen itself. Let me go back and select that again. Here we are. Okay, so much of what we have here is going to be left as default, but I do want to show you how you're going to program the specific button to open up a particular screen. So if you go to the Action tab at the top, and you notice by default it should say Run Command. Well, I want to hit the down arrow just to show you the other possibilities in here. So we could add a tag to this particular button and have when the button is pressed, it could cause the tag to flip to a value of 1 or a value of 0, etc. based on all the options here. In this case, we are going to run a command. So what a command is a small script inside FactoryTalk View SE in the project environment that will allow us to run all sorts of different commands that'll affect the HMI screen itself. So under press action, what we want to do is hit the ellipses. Okay, and on the right hand side, we're going to have the most current commands that we physically used, but you may not have any there because what we're looking at is digging into the graphics folder to find the specific command we're after to open up a screen. So click on the plus symbol beside the graphics folder, go under graphics display, and then of course navigation. So under navigation, you're going to see a whole host of commands, and each one of these commands, of course, will cause something physically to happen when the operator interacts with that particular push button. What we want to do from here is click on the display command, select next. Okay, and in the area text box at the top, we can leave that as default, leave it empty. Click on File, and here we're going to be able to select the physical screen that we want to navigate to. So I'm going to select the packaging area, for example. Click on Finish. Okay, and now you'll notice in the press action text box it says display, which is the actual command, and then what's in quotations is the actual name of the display itself that it's going to link to. So we'll head over to Up Appearance. Simply add in some text here that's going to appear so the operator knows what's going to happen when they press that push button. So you noticed I've keyed in what I want the caption to say here, and when I click on OK, it says Go to Packaging Display. Of course, I can resize the object just like anything else in FactoryTalk View. And from here, when we run the client application, clicking on this button will take us directly to the packaging display. Have a good one.